Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing Airplane 4 One Last Flight. Alright, let's go. Here we go, the final game. Man, I wish I want to go to first class. I mean, I love first class. Ugh. Airplane 4 One Last Flight. Bruh, here we go. I've been waiting for this. Airplane 4. Airplane 4. Airplane 4. Airplane 4. I hope this music won't give me a copyright strike or I'm gonna be mad. Here it is, Airplane 4. Alright, let's get started. Let me remind you. You're flying to the road, get down. Okay, I'm getting down, okay. Oh great, I cannot fall down the stairs. Hey Dad, how's it going? Wait, why you're a person? I thought you meant to be a shark. I'm gonna eat you, because you're a human. I'm a shark, not a human. Can't believe we don't have much time. That's it. Whoever doesn't have trip. I'll start making photos in the backyard area. I really want to go on a trip. What are we going to do? I don't know what the clothes are. Okay, here is what we're going to do. We have 45 seconds to explore. See, I like the John Porch shirt. Wait, what did I need? That, I need everything. Oh no! Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go. Let's jump. I have to go fast. Come on, I need everything as possible. Go! I'm dead. Look, I can't press it. Like, every time I press it, it doesn't work. I'm dead. Guys, time to start backing. Let's go. What? Find this item. Okay. Gotta go fast. And then, okay, I have no time to go see right now. I got this. I got it. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Gotta go. Jeez. Come on. Okay, I'm good. You. I'm safe. Okay, I'm safe. Ugh. Okay, I'm safe. Okay, now I'm fine now. Okay, we found it. Now we have to find his arm. Okay, I gotta go fast. I have to go fast. I have to hurry. Hurry. Come on. Oh my god, I'm not even so fast. Oh, no. Okay, so, there we go. There it is. Come on. I need more time. Come on. Oh my god. Yes, oh my god. Okay, I like your John Pork shirt and pants, okay? I wish I had that. Okay, what's next item I need? Oh, I need shoes. Okay. Quick, gotta hurry. Or else I'm not going to the trip. Okay. There it is. Come on, let's go. Oh, yes. Okay, yes. What are you doing? Alright. Let's see. Okay. I did it. Save the day. Okay, now I need to find the next item. What item I need to find? Oh, never mind. I bought. Yes, sir. Wait. Let's go to the backyard. Alright, let's go. Woo! We're swimming. Yeah. Wait, what happened to that burger? Why is that burger moldy? Oh, we had to sit it on the table. I was right here. Okay. Dad is cooking burgers. Ah! Oh no! Oh man, I'm dead. Oh, never mind. Want a burger? Yeah, I want a burger. Come on, give it to us. Who wants a burger? Me. I do. I'm so hungry. Okay. Alright. Hey, get back to your seat, dude. Go to your seat. No, stop. Go. Sit on the table. Okay, there. Thank you. Okay, this is for you, and there's one for me. Okay, let's eat. Glad no one is eating the moldy burger. Alright. Thank you. Hello everyone, everyone, we're back on Bloxy Estate News. Okay, what is it? Oh, it's the radio. Even earlier this month, the president graduated a brave hero that saved his life. Or to President. Wow, she's saving the plane? Yeah, I saved the plane. I don't know if she saved the plane too. However, the president sent comforts. As we landed, some suspect somehow disappeared. Police warns everyone in Bloxia to be careful and report anything that could be useful in the case. How could someone escape? Possibly escape? Something like that. I don't know. Oh my god. Oh my, look at the time. We are running late to our flight. Let's see, what is this? The garage? Wait for it. I present you. Your very own small thing. Ooh, lovely. Time. Find your plane and grab a seat. I already am on my seat. See you guys on the other side. Why are you saying guys? Everyone's dead, I think. Or they just leave. Wait, no, it's Fridays. You have to find out. Just be careful with the obstacles. Okay, I get it. Okay, go down, go down. Whoa! Oh my god, I almost. Come on. No. Go. Let's go. I'm stuck. Oh, I have to go down there. I can't see anything. Okay. Great. Now I'm gonna die. Perfect. Everyone is here now. No, I'm here, Ted. Come on. Why am I taller than you? I forgot to tell you. Flying over the shortcut is illegal. Hopefully nobody saw you. There's the airport. Last report policy. Come on, go faster. Oh no! Ugh! What's wrong with me? Okay, I had to pause the video. Be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Alright. Perfect. Everyone is here now. Got to tell you. Flying over Shurka is illegal. Okay, gotta be careful with that car accident. Hopefully nobody saw you. The airport is clear now. Let's keep moving. Alright, let's go. Let's follow that. Okay. There it is. Okay, I'm gonna stand still because I'm worried that there's gonna be a car. The truck. I'm not gonna fall for it this time. Hey, stand there. Stand still, okay? Just don't go across the street. Careful. Careful, guys. It'll be Oh man. She died. That's supposed to hurry inside. Okay, I'm inside now. Off without us. Okay, now I'm gonna get some tickets. I did drop my baggage. What do you mean? How did this guy got it? Okay, I got a ticket. Did I got a ticket? What do you mean? What's going on? I can't get it. No. Why is it not? What do you mean? I did drop it. This has to be a mistake. Like, look, I can't. What's going on? I don't understand. I can't go through the boarding gate. No! No, wait, let's go. Then how I can't go get a ticket? But it's not, but it's unfair. How? That's bruh, what? How? Why I can't go through there while I already have put the packages while I still can't get a ticket because I have packages first while I already did, but this doesn't make any sense. It has to be a bug. It has to be a bug. It has to be a bug. Why? It has to be a bug. I think it's a bug. I can't believe it. Wait, I'm back! Something is not right. Oh no, I don't like how it sounds. Whoa! Police, what are you doing? Hey, why you have no mouth? You're going to have to come with us. Wait, what do we do? We didn't do anything. Is there a problem? problem, officers? All of you were caught flying over restricted area. You are in big trouble. Wait until we get all the paperwork ready. Okay, I got the bats. Why was the news a bad idea? Now we are totally losing the flights. Our guns just want to take off. No! What is that red thing on the airstrip? Wait, what? Ah! Last one. My plan is finally complete. Skeleton Fox. Oh my god, what was your world will be soon probably of the undead? What? No. No! First, I used angry humans to help me build an army, but now I can take over the world by myself. Don't worry, you'll be part of my army. Wait, how did you get up there? Oh, I get it. I see. Okay. Oh, there we go. Soon you'll be in afterlife. Come on, guys. We have to fight. What's going on? I don't think those cops are friends. Huh? Hey, don't say die. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Guys, fight! He died! No! He sacrificed himself to save him. Oh no. That was horrible. My friend sacrificed himself. Finally we get to the fence. I know. I told you. Alright, let's go. Guys, look, found another vent. Okay. We need to do something. But first, let's get out of this place. Let's escape. Oh, there it is. Wait, what? General Poncho! What's up, my man? Looks like I'm late to the party. Yep. What? Who even are you? I'm Poncho. ex-general of the Luxia State Army. I heard you from the news. Were you not supposed to be dead? I've been trying to stop this strange creature for years. My world is dependent on it. I have to fake my death. Only one's left. We have to find and destroy Skeletox before the bad energy consume us. We need to do this for our dad. Come on, guys! For our dads! Time to be a hero. Follow me. Macho. Okay, be careful, guys. Be careful. Okay, there, let's go. What the? That way. Come on, Poncho. Come on, Poncho, let's go. Right. Guys, don't choose that guy. Trust Poncho. Be careful, this guy might be infected. Wait, why does he seem familiar? Ronald? Hello, General. Remember me? No way! You are supposed to be dead. Guess we are both supposed to be dead. But here we are. On my dark side's national flame, we got shot in the face. That makes my curse become weaker. The only way I can completely be free is by killing Skeletox. Still don't trust you. Guys, don't trust him. Don't trust him. Don't trust you. He could be lying to us. You are not going to be part of this mission. Well, I'm going to do it, General. Who's coming with me? There's no way my team is going with you. No, we're not. Come on, General Poncho. Yes! Yeah! Please don't choose Ronald. Come on, come on. Don't choose it. Don't choose it. Yeah, come on. Yes! We choose to go with General Poncho. Yes! Stay out of the way, Ronald. We are saving the world. This is the place where all that evil energy comes from. Oh no! They found us! Ah, no! Oh look, we had to go this way. We had to go that way. Well, we're not gonna make it. Pilot Kelly? Oh my, Pilot Kelly? I thought she was dead. Jack? And that guy? Come on, no, I can't get that sword. Can't. General, it's a true. Too late. Ah! I have scare surgery powers. Easiest way to get souls together. I'm scared for their lives. I just didn't know they did not. Now I do. Ah! Oh! Okay, George! Wait, now it's my chance. Come on. Ah! Go! did it! Yay! Finally, I defeated him with 1 health. Did it! I would also like to thank everyone who saved my life. No problem. Good job, soldiers. Enjoy the moment. I've been trying to fix your Skeletrox for a long time, and finally he's gone. I know Dad will be proud. Wait. Grandma or Dad? Wait. No way! Hello, Dad. I did miss you. What? Really, is your mom? That's what I said. That is That's amazing, General. Wait, the General's gone. Heh, we can't be sure. Wherever he goes, he'll be saving the world. I did it! I did it! I beat the game! Let's go! Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.